Hi guys, so like you guys know, we have been promoting eggs, antibiotics-free eggs from Petros Farms for the past 31 days. Since the start of October 2025 up to this point, the 31st day of October 2025, we have been telling the entire world, Nigerians, Africa, everyone, that it is safer to eat healthier eggs that are antibiotics-free so that we can join our hands together in the fight against antimicrobial resistance. Okay, so and we also told you guys that within the course of that particular month, we were going to have winners from our raffle draw, from our promo. So today we are here to conduct our raffle draw just like we've done at the other store, and we want to, get our winners, congratulate them, be happy with them, and give them a month's supply of free antibiotics-free eggs, and hopefully they get to join in the fun and they're happy as well. So stay tuned.
There is nothing really special about eggs. Egg is just protein, so you think. But there is something special about Petros Farm eggs. Petros Farm egg is not just a regular egg. Petros Farm egg is antibiotic-free. Why does Petros Farm value antibiotic-free eggs? We preach antibiotic-free eggs because we value the well-being of our consumers. We prioritize the well-being of our consumers. We seek to give them quality products. That is what led to the birthing of Petros Farm antibiotic-free eggs. From statistics, a lot of Nigerians consume products that are antibiotic-induced, and that has actually made them antibiotic resistant. We don't want same for our customers. We want to give our customers quality. We want to give our consumers quality products that will improve their well-being. That's the reason why we preach about antibiotic-free eggs. So antibiotic-free eggs are natural. Antibiotic-free eggs are healthy. Antibiotic-free eggs are good, both for children, for adults, and for every other population. If you remember nothing about this video, remember that Petros Farms eggs are antibiotic-free eggs.
My country people, special greetings to you from wherever you're watching us from. As usual, we are from Petros Farms and I am Josephine Imovo. All of us here, we make up the part of the promotion team happening live in Priceless Stores, New Owerri. Now we are bringing the promotion to an end with the raffle draw. For transparency's sake, this is what we are going to use. Very nice with me that it is empty. Now be with me while I start tearing this defeated into the bucket. While my colleagues are doing this is to enable the process of fair check, because we are going to check the bucket and bring out random winners. Okay, what I want to do is for you to just pick any ticket, one for me. So you do that by closing your eyes. Please face the camera, show me that you're closing your eye. Yes, close your eye, I'll bring the bucket to you. Are your eyes closed? How many, what's this? How many figure is this? Can you see my hand? Can you see my hand? Okay, so give me your right hand. Dip it to the front. Okay, just one. Favor. Okay, congratulations to Favor. Our first winner here is Favor, category 24. Congratulations to you, Favor. I love your excitement. Thank you. I'm going to be the winner. Oh, I can't wait to. Pick just one for me. Just one. Pick just one. Comrade Uche. Okay, congratulations to Comrade Uche. We have our second winner by name Comrade Uche with the phone number category 24. Please, I need your help. You're from Petros Farms, so I need you to just pick one paper here for me. We are doing a raffle draw. Thank you. Close your eyes. Yes, pick any one. Thank you. Mr. Alozie. Okay, we have our third winner here, Mr. Alozie, category 12. Excuse me, ma. Sorry to bother you, ma. You look so pretty.
Thank you.
Anyone, just one.
Mr. Justice.
Thank you, man. We have Mr. Justice here. Congratulations, Mr. Justice. Category 12. Congratulations, Mr. Justice. Category 12. Okay, please let's call our first winner. Favor. Category 24. It's quite unfortunate that Favor isn't available to take our call right now. So we'll move on to the next winner. Alright, now we are calling our second winner, Comrade Uche, category 24. Hello, Comrade Uche. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm Josephine from Petros Farms. I'm calling you from Priceless Stores. We are live. This call is on air. We are calling to inform you and also to congratulate you that you won the egg promo that happened live in Priceless Stores, sponsored by Petros Farms. Can you hear me? Free egg. Pack of 24 free antibiotic-free egg. Pack of 24. Now you emerged the winner and you are winning this egg every week for 1 month. Okay, please, are you available for the pickup now? Can you come down to Priceless Stores, New Owerri now for your pickup? Yeah, close by. Okay, thank you, Comrade Uche. We are waiting for you. Congratulations once again.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Alright. Congratulations, we are.
You're welcome.
Please, I'm Josephine Imobo from Petros Farms.
Okay, I'm Comrade Uche Chicken Mason.
Comrade Uche. Okay, tell me your experience. How did you feel when we approached you to buy egg?
I was shocked, to be honest. You know, the day I came, I think the first day one of your staff approached me and asked me to buy. And I look at the egg, they're okay, fine. But I think when she was telling me that the promo to that effect, for me, I'm not interested in the promo. I only just wanted to get the egg and see how it is. I think my family is enjoying it. So not until this afternoon, I got a call. I was like, wow, is it real? It's not the usual social media scam.
So how do you feel now emerging the winner, sir?
I'm fine, good, sweet. I think I'm lucky.
Exactly. Yeah. So what will you tell to our fans about Petros Farms?
I will say one, thanks to the farm. And I also encourage millions of people to come and begin to patronize the Petros Farms. Because they are real, they are stable, they are sincere.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Comrade Uche.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you. As we've all witnessed it, that was one of our winners, Comrade Uche, and swiftly he drove down to come and pick his parcel. Congratulations to Comrade Uche once again. Still in line, we are on to our third winner now, Mr. Alozie, category 12. Please, let's call Mr. Alozie. Okay, it's quite unfortunate that Mr. Alozie isn't available to take his call right now. So we'll move on to our next winner for today. Alright, we are on to our next winner now. Stay with me while I call Mr. Justice.
The MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
It's unfortunate Mr. Justice number is off. Thank you for being with me in Priceless Stores. Now let's go to Market Square. Thank you for joining with me down to Market Square. Now let's continue. Now we are done transferring the ticket into the bucket. Now this is all what we have here with us. So we'll go ahead and shake it, mix it all up, and get people who will help us out. Alright, so please close your eye. Pick one ticket. Just one. Pick one ticket for me. Okay, our first winner here is Goodness Cynthia Nwachukwu. Our second winner here is Mr. Chukwuka Chukwukere. Our third winner here is Amadi Timothy. Our winner here is Mrs. Choma, category 6. Thank you so much, ma'am. Alright, now, ladies and gentlemen, we've completed our raffle draw. Now, join me while we call our winners. The first winner here is Goodness Cynthia Nwachukwu. Now, please, let's call Goodness.
The number you have dialed is not reachable at the moment. Please try again later. Thank you.
Okay, unfortunately, we couldn't get through Goodness Cynthia Nwachukwu. Her number isn't reachable. So let's move on to our next winner. Our next winner here is Mr. Chukwuka Chukwukere, category 30. Hello, Mr. Chukwuka Chukwukere. I'm Josephine from Petros Farms. I'm calling you live from Market Square. Okay, I'm calling you in respect to the antibiotic-free egg you bought from Market Square. From Petros Farms. Yes, sir. So, congratulations, you elect one of our winners. Why would I come to inform you?
Oh, good. Thank you.
Yes, congratulations, sir. Please, sir, are you available for your pickup of free eggs?
Can I do that tomorrow?
Tomorrow? Okay, yes, sir, it's possible. Yes, you can pick it up tomorrow.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay?
Alright, sir, you won, the category you won is category 30. Yes. Alright, sir, thank you so much, Mr. Chukwuka, for patronizing Petros Farms and for believing in antibiotic-free eggs. I don't know if you have a word you can say to the people because our mic, the call is on air, sir.
Yeah, okay. Thank you for this opportunity. And at the program time, actually, confirmed with why I wanted. So I appreciate you guys. And I think, you guys will keep it up. Keep your job up, and we'll keep patronizing you tomorrow, okay?
Thank you so much, sir. How do you feel being called as one of our winners, sir?
I feel honored, though. I feel highly honored.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Hopefully we'll keep in touch because I'd like you to pay us a visit at our farm, Petros Farms itself. Because I'd like you to meet with the team and with the management.
Okay. I'll do that.
Alright, thank you so much, Mr. Chukwuka. I'll reach out to you. And you can always call this number.
Okay, then.
Alright, thank you so much, sir. Have a wonderful day. Alright, that was our winner, Mr. Chukwuka Chukwukere. Unfortunately, he is not nearby to come pick up his egg now, so we are going to liaise with the management of Market Square Owerri branch on how he is going to pick up his eggs. And he has sent these greetings. Thank you. Hello, good afternoon. What's your name? Ryan. Who sent you?
My sister Shama sent me to them. I heard she won from Petros Farm. I wasn't surprised when she told me that she won for the that day. But I've been having those things that's good. So it's as if that I'm trying to convince her to that finally she signed those things. And she won.
So how do you feel now your sister emerging the winner, even though you try to discourage her? How do you feel now being the winner?
Personally, I'm surprised because some of these things are scams sometimes. So I'm really surprised and I thank you guys for this opportunity like this and I feel I got you guys to move forward.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations to you. Thank you so much.
Alright, that is one of our personal directors of our eggs. Thank you so much, Mrs. Choma. We hope to see you next year and to do more business with you. Thank you. For Mrs. Nwachukwu Goodness Cynthia, you winners for the antibiotic-free egg promotion we did in the latest live in Market Square. Congratulations, ma. How do you feel being called as one of our winners? I feel so excited. I'm happy. The egg is one of the best so far. I'm so excited. I'm happy. Thank you very much. Anyone for Petros Farms? Yes. Anyone for Petros Farms? Yeah, Petros Farms is the best farm so ever. Their egg is excellent. It's not like it's different from others. When we say one treat, whatever. After I really enjoy the eggs. Thank you for what you're doing. So now, here is your egg. We promise you your egg every week for 1 month. So like really everything that has one. This is the return. Next things we giving a winner by the name is Thank you so much for staying with us. See you next year.